Oh, actually outside. Ha? Alin? Ibang ilaw yan eh. That's a dog right there. Holy shit, this tumbler. That was the sewage spy. Oh my god. What? Let's. Okay, guys. Gonna end this video right here. I'm sorry if this video was long. Okay, I'm going to continue with my fidget spinner. My fidget. Picture. Ay, nandudo. Anay, di ba may kahon na pula? Nandudo na ata. Okay.
Wala doon.
Oh, sorry. Why is the rectifier slowing down? Okay. You. Still. That is the rectifier. Why is that slowing down, my video? Bro, don't slow down. I'm sorry. Here's a fidget spinner trick. Whoa. Oh. Oh no! Oh my, I thought this was broken. Can you do this in your fidget spinner? Check this out. It's the greatest. It's the best. Okay. Oh, score.
Nag-iiba na yung cellphone ko.
Okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. Please subscribe this video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. Peace in this video. Bam!